Beth, and I'm a crybaby. I have been a crybaby for as long as I can remember. And just recently, thanks to Ancestry, I found out I come from a long line of crybabies. My sister says that I look like Aunt Judy, but I don't know. They're all kind of cute. So before I continue, you're probably thinking, why is she talking about being a crybaby? That's kind of why I'm here. I talk to women all the time, high-level executive women who say, Beth, I'm the CEO, and I'm not copied on any of the memos. Or I'm the CFO, and nobody invites me to the meetings. So how can I lead with empathy and not just get stepped on? So why now are you talking about being a crybaby? The reason is because if you're a crybaby, like me, you're probably hardwired to be an empathetic person.